how to connect wireless mic just in 2000 rupees with a GoPro. Very simple methodology. Please go through.
Hi friends, today we'll be just reviewing some important information, especially for the people who are owning GoPro. Whichever model you have a GoPro, and now you have started doing vlogging. For vlogging, you require a microphone to avoid external noise and make it more clear during recording. So you have so many means of doing it. So I explored so many ways. The very best way is to take the advice of GoPro supplier manufacturer who recommends some cameras which are very exorbitantly very costly. Of course they work. There is no other go. But normally other cameras will not work with this so easily. So it requires a lot of experiment which I have done to make this work with the cheapest way of using microphone and effectively taking vlogs, making vlogs, and same quality as what the other makes like standard makes are able to derive. So now we'll start with some of the technical aspects. For example, normally what happens, we go for a wireless microphone. So wireless microphone, you have so many varieties of wireless microphone. For example, I have a Digitech wireless microphone where this is a common point where this can be used on a mobile phone. This can be used on the mobile phone only. This cannot be used for any other C-type port connectivity. But even GoPro has got a C-type adapter, but this will not work with C-type adapter. For example, see here. This is a battery and this is a C-type port, and this can go in this. Easily it can go in this. But it doesn't work. I have tried. It is just a waste of money if you try to purchase this type of connectors to the GoPro. So actually I have done a lot of exploring on this. So for this 100% you require an adapter which is a must to connect any other accessories, especially sound. You require an adapter like this. This is available for 4,500 rupees. This we have to insert, and you have to have a cage like this cover where you can keep the adapter here, and then this will be connected to this C-type, and here I have one USB connection, and then one I have a single pin connection. So there are two connections available in this. So this is a must for connecting to GoPro. Any make, any GoPro, and you require this type of cover so that this can go. Otherwise you will have to purchase a very expensive adapter which is again sold by GoPro, and that will cost you not less than around 8,000, 10,000 rupees. There you can directly plug into this. So this is one of the points you have to note down. So this is a must. Without this, we cannot connect any microphone to this GoPro. Mine is GoPro 10 Hero Black. Whatever make, you require this adapter. I think 12 and 13 has got an option to take their easily directly voice inputs. Now I am taking a video on my mobile. Okay. Now we will find out the difference between the external mic given in the mobile, and if I use a wireless mic, what is the effect of the mic? Now I'll connect this to my mobile and we can see the difference. I tried many varieties of wireless mics, different makes and different models. I'll give all the details in the description box. You please don't purchase that for a GoPro. This is my sincere advice. I'll also post some videos of where I have tried, but now let us try a new wireless mic. After so many models I tried, which I'm going to list it on the information box. Now I got a new one which he says is compatible with GoPro, and this make is Grenaro make. I'm going to do unboxing of this. This how we got it, and this now ultimately I located this Grenaro wireless microphone, and this it has got here written wireless microphone, and the specifications are 3-in-1 interface, noise reduction, silent mode, wide compatibility, plug and play, high sound quality. These are the 6 features it is exhibiting. Now we have to see how far this will work. Let us unbox this. So it doesn't have any separate case, either to other people supplying, and this is the manual. This is the user's manual which explains how to use it. Here function descriptions are there in one area, and then here connecting devices instruction and how to use it for camera, which is very important for us. It has got 3 modes. Number 1 is for the mobile devices, mobile, second for camera, and third for the amplifiers. So all the 3 can be connected using this wireless microphone, and he has given a charger, and then he has given grass, which is normally given with every mic you purchase. And then we have this adapter also, or pin. In case you want to use it for a mic, you can directly use it. And now we will take out this one. This is basically a receiver, and these are 2 are transmitters. These 2 are transmitters. This transmitter you have 3 buttons. One is a function button, one is volume up, volume down, and normally noise cancellation is on, and this is the microphone. This is a microphone for speaking. So now let us switch it on and connect this and see the performance. Now I switched on. This is looking for microphones. Now I have to switch on this. It will get connected automatically. It's connected. Now we have 3 modes in this. So we can see how this changes. So this is for mobile. This is for camera. This is for amplifier. 3 modes. So let us keep it here and try to connect our let me try to connect it to GoPro. So here I can connect. See, this is the port I have to connect. So I have to connect like this. Fully press it. Otherwise it won't work. And now I'll switch it on. Now I'll remove this. We have connected the mic. Now I would like to know whether this is really connected to the camera or not. For that, what we have to do is we have to go for settings and then his preferences. The preference you can see auto upload, general, voice control, displays, regional modes. The modes you click here. Here you can see powered mic. If it is showing powered mic, that means it is connected. So this microphone is working. Whatever microphone we have connected is working. See, one more point I want to inform you is, should take this type of 4-pole single connector, which is suitable for this type of connections, which can connect one side on camera or any other device with single pole or even amplifier. Here it is used for iPhones and this can be used for Android phones. This is a very useful gadget. I recommend everybody to go for this gadget, which is not a waste of money. Microphone testing 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. This is a new mic I purchased. I am checking for the clarity and connectivity to GoPro. I am going to move away from this and see how it works. I want to see the volume of the mic is maintained or not and functionality of the mic. So I am going out and seeing how far this can work. Hello, 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 microphone testing. Hello, 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 hello,